Hello Kindred Spirits, and hello to everyone who's new here. Welcome to Serenity, Peace, and Comfort. I'm Serenity, and today we are starting off in Contemplation Corner. I pick a corner of the room in my apartment and we just sit and catch up on things. And there is a lot to catch up on. A lot of people have been asking me, why are your videos every other week or every 3 weeks? And I thought I would share with you why and what's going on. For quite a while I have been my mother's caretaker, and it has been a very difficult, exhausting endeavor. But it is the circle of life. When your parents get older, it is your time to step up and take care of them. So Mom was my priority, and so that's why my videos have been kind of sparse instead of being every single week. So there have been legitimate reasons why I just haven't been able to keep up with the amount of videos like other content creators put out. But also, sadly, Mom did recently pass. And as you know, if you have relatives who have passed, that in and of itself is a lot of work also. So I've been busy dealing with that. So I ask you to be patient, and after the new year we will see a change in the channel, and it's all good. And I'll be sharing with you a lot more details of things that have been going on in the future. But I do have some good news to share with you, and I was recently notified. Look at all the views this channel has been getting. Check it out. So what would be so nice is if you, the viewer, if you would just click on subscribe and help us out here at the channel. It would be such a blessing. And a lot of my subscribers already know, when you subscribe and become part of the world of Serenity, Peace, and Comfort, you are under prayer. I pray for all of my subscribers, and we are becoming like a family. So please, it's a wonderful thing to join this world of slow living, traditional values, celebrating all the good in life. Our motto is Philippians 4:8. Whatever is true, whatever is right, whatever is noble, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, we think about those things. And no two videos on this channel are alike. So you're never seeing a rehash of the last video. everything is always fresh, and I'm always taking you, my subscribers, to a new place, to see things in a new way, and to hopefully bring a lot of comfort, some fun, smiles, and some cozy tips and do-it-yourselves. So it's really a wonderful channel to be a part of. Check it out. Can't hurt, right? So thank you so much. I want to wish everybody a blessed, holy, healthy, happy New Year.